Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. I am going to show you how I make my Dawn Power Wash. This does not last at all. 4 days. I make it 2 times a week. And I use it on everything. Everything that you can imagine. So today I wanted to share you, and I did receive lots of requests, what I use. Okay, so we're gonna open. You need the bottle like this though. You need to go and buy. I think they do go down to $5 Canadian, a sale if it is. That's how my husband grabs them. So you need to fill this up to here with water. I just use the tap water. You can use any other waters if you want. And I'm just gonna fill it up to there with just regular water. It's gonna bubble up, so nothing to worry about. What I do is I just squeeze it like this. Okay, can you see? I just filled it with tap water up to there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here for you guys to see. And then you need Dawn dish soap. I tried every brand that is out there. I turned 55 in November 9. And I tried everything, and this is the best, especially the 4X. Grab one of these. You can go and get them in big jugs. They're cheaper. They do go down. Well, this is not a 4X, but this is the closest I can find. But if you find a 4X, that would be great. Like, they go down to 10 Canadian dollars. I bought this from Costco. Canadian Tire, I bought one there. It was $10. And on Amazon, I've been seeing it for $9.99. But I want to use up because I just emptied the other one that I had. Okay, not much. Okay, not much. We're not going to fill the bottle. Okay, we're not going to fill the bottle. Okay, and then I'm going to open this because... and then I'm gonna fill it, I don't know, 2 tablespoons maybe. So just up to here. Okay. Just like that, not too much. Okay. I know it's unbelievable how it cleans. Maybe the trigger, this is working. I don't know. Because I use it on the same. Well, more, of course, more, there's no water in this. But it's Dawn and... alcohol. You need alcohol, okay? And I put alcohol in here. There's no water in it, but still, this cleans way better than this, believe it or not. And I shake this. There's alcohol in here. And then, so what I do is, what am I doing? Well, I'll fill this one with you guys as well while I'm at it. Yeah. And this is how I do it. And I do use my Dawn dish soap in my white laundries, or I don't know, something that has stains in it. So I would highly recommend. Okay. I just used this trigger, found this trigger, and it works with this. So it's perfect. I bought this from Walmart. I think there's 6 something in Canadian at Walmart here. And I just put a little bit of alcohol on my dish soap. That's all I do. I put it back. And don't forget to shake. And, well, this cleans as well. But what I'm trying to say is the Dawn Power Wash is way stronger. And I use this on my dishes. Okay, for this, I'm just going to put a little bit. Again, maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay. And as you can see, I did not fill up to this line here. There's a line, you can see. And this is all I do. Okay, I use this on my ceramic counter. It's clean right now. I was going to show you, but it is clean. Okay, just shake it well. Shake it well. Shake, shake, shake. Shake. There has to be a space between. Okay, and let me just... This is Crystal Cup. Just wanted to show you, and I have a dirty pot there. So I wanted to show you how it cleans. And I have another cup here that has finger lip stain. See? I use it on my countertop. Again, shake it, because we just made it, right? I don't buy it anymore. Well, my husband, he goes and buys it when it's on sale. But other than that, it's, you did buy a couple of refills, which I never used. And I just wipe it. And I'm just going to show you. See how it foams? Just love it. Love. I don't even use the dish soap anymore. Well, it's not in that bottle there, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this pot to give you an idea. Okay. Okay, how dirty this is. I had kidney beans. Cooked. And can you see? Just want to give you an idea. And look how clean this is. Look at it. Oh my. I want you to hear the squeeze. I love the sound. Just love it, love it. See? And 4 or 5 days. It depends on how often you use it, right? See how nice and shiny it is? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it on this, and I spray it everywhere. Okay. Look how it shines. I'm going to do it a couple of times, but just want to show you. See how it shines? Love this. Where I found this, I tried it a couple of times. I saw it on social media, TikTok, Instagram. Everyone's doing it, YouTube. But finally I figured how I do it. I use the scrubber as well. Let's do the outside first. This pot is over 20 years old. I bought it from Canadian Tire. It's a pressure cooker. Over 20 years. I have another one like this. And it's not new. Just want to show you. So I use this. This is all I use. I don't go and buy those stain shiners anymore. They're expensive. They start from $10. Depends on where you live, right? Everything here in Canada is expensive. Okay. And then spray again. Okay. Well, this was a dirty one I wanted to show you. Usually the ceramic counter, the oven gets very stainy, right? This is all I use. This is all I use. So, just wanted to share. Still foaming, can you see? And I'm rinsing. here to cleanse. Clean, squishy sound. Just love it, love it, love it. And my sink is always shining. See how shiny it is? So I hope you like this video. And I just wanted to share it, how nice and clean it is. It's disinfecting with alcohol. Look at this sound. It's nice and clean. I'm checking if there's nothing underneath. Nope, nothing. Okay. And I will put this on my crocheted thingy here, which I need to make another one. As I was saying, this one is falling apart. I think I made this in 2018. I do have the tutorial for the waffle stitch. Okay, I'm going to show you my, I did this yesterday. Okay, here is my ceramic. See, well, this one is, I use this one a lot, so it is wearing a bit. And when I wake up, when I go to bed, I spray. And here are my new towels I bought. Aren't they beautiful? And get one of these from Amazon if you want. I can link it. Let me know in the comments. I love them. They're sold in a pack. And just wipe it in the morning before I go to bed. My kettle is here. I usually use these two, so I don't use these. That's the reason it's sitting there. Because of the hood, it pulls the steam. Because when the water boils right, we don't want to ruin our cabinets. I have these are over 20 years old. So this is how I shine it. So I hope you like this short video. Just wanted to share it with you. This is how I make my Dawn Powerwash, and I would highly recommend it. You guys take care. Bye-bye.